Article 1 of the Indian Constitution boldly declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. This foundational statement emphasizes the unity of the nation while recognizing its diverse states. The term sovereign signifies that India is free to govern itself without external interference. By defining itself as socialist, the Constitution aims to reduce inequalities and ensure social justice for all citizens. The secular aspect ensures that all religions are treated equally, promoting freedom of belief and worship. Calling itself a democratic republic, India guarantees its citizens the right to elect their representatives in government. Article 1 further describes India as a union of states which acknowledges the coexistence of various states while maintaining national integrity. Article 2 of the Indian Constitution serves as a crucial mechanism empowering Parliament to admit new states into the Union or alter existing state boundaries, reflecting the dynamic nature of India's political landscape. This provision ensures that the country can adapt to changing social, economic, and political realities, fostering unity while respecting regional identities. As new states are formed or boundaries adjusted, the process emphasizes cooperation and dialogue among various stakeholders, highlighting the essence of democracy. Article 2 not only reflects the government's responsiveness to the aspirations of its citizens, but also reinforces the federal structure that India upholds. Furthermore, the flexibility granted by this article allows Parliament to respond to unique circumstances, ensuring that all voices are heard in the nation's governance. Article 3 of the Indian Constitution grants Parliament the authority to create or alter states and territories, delineate their boundaries, and establish procedures for the formation of new states. This constitutional provision is crucial for addressing the diverse linguistic and cultural identities within India. The process of altering state boundaries involves several stages, including the recommendation of the President of India. Once the President submits a report to Parliament, a bill must be introduced and passed to formalize the changes. Public opinions and consultations may also play a significant role in the decision-making process regarding state formation. The potential impact on local governance, cultural representation, and resource distribution makes this a sensitive issue. Moreover, the evolution of state boundaries can lead to both opportunities and challenges for development in newly formed regions. Article 4 of the Indian Constitution forms the backbone of representation in the nation's legislatures, specifically enabling Parliament to delineate constituencies while ensuring democratic integrity. This provision reflects the commitment to adapt electoral boundaries in response to changing demographics and needs. By exempting these laws from the rigidity of Article 368, it allows for a more flexible legislative approach to electoral representation. This flexibility is crucial in ensuring that representation remains fair and equitable as the nation evolves. Ultimately, Article 4 serves as a vital mechanism for upholding the principles of democracy and ensuring that every voice is heard in the legislative process. Moreover, the careful consideration of constituency delimitation under this article plays a pivotal role in reflecting the true demographics of the nation. Article 5 of the Indian Constitution, a cornerstone document, establishes the foundational rights of citizenship, ensuring that individuals present in India at its commencement are recognized as citizens. This provision serves to affirm the rights of those who inhabited the nation, uniting them under a shared identity at the dawn of the new republic. In defining citizenship, Article 5 also reflects the broader principles of equality and justice that underpin the Indian legal framework. Furthermore, this article laid the groundwork for subsequent laws and amendments that would shape the evolving narrative of citizenship in India. Additionally, it established a clear framework for determining who belonged to the nation, preventing arbitrary exclusions, and fostering a sense of belonging among residents. Article 6 of the Indian Constitution marks a significant moment in the nation's legal framework, establishing the citizenship rights for individuals who migrated from Pakistan to India during specific periods. It outlines the conditions under which these individuals may be granted citizenship, ensuring they are recognized as part of the Indian nation. The article signifies the Indian government's commitment to inclusivity and human rights, acknowledging the historical context of migration during tumultuous times. While it provides a pathway to citizenship, Article 6 also sets forth specific criteria that individuals must meet, which reflect the legal and humanitarian principles of the nation. These criteria ensure that the principles of fairness and justice are upheld, balancing the need for security with the rights of individuals seeking a new home. Article 7 of the Indian Constitution clearly delineates the citizenship rights of individuals who moved from India to Pakistan post-partition, asserting that they are not regarded as citizens of India. This provision underscores the complexities and challenges surrounding national identity in the wake of significant historical upheavals. The article reflects the legal framework established to address the aftermath of the 1947 migration and the resulting demographic changes. Moreover, it serves as a reminder of the struggles faced by millions who had to redefine their identities and affiliations during this tumultuous period. In essence, Article 7 encapsulates the legal and emotional ramifications of migration and loss amidst one of the largest population displacements in history. Article 8 of the Indian Constitution offers a pathway to citizenship for individuals of Indian origin who live abroad, ensuring they can become citizens if they fulfill certain requirements. This provision embodies India's commitment to its diaspora, recognizing their connection to the motherland. To register as a citizen under Article 8, individuals must provide proof of their Indian heritage and demonstrate their commitment to the country. The criteria set forth in this article ensure that those who seek citizenship have a genuine link to India and its culture. The process encourages individuals to maintain their ties to India while contributing to their adopted countries. Furthermore, Article 8 reflects India's recognition of its global diaspora as integral to the nation's identity and heritage. Article 9 of the Indian Constitution clearly outlines that any individual who voluntarily acquires citizenship of another country will forfeit their citizenship rights in India. This provision emphasizes the significance that India places on its citizenship and the importance of allegiance to the nation. The intention behind this clause is to prevent dual citizenship, ensuring that individuals have a clear and singular commitment to their country. This means that if someone chooses to become a citizen of another nation, they must understand the consequences of losing their Indian citizenship and associated rights. Moreover, this provision serves as a reminder of the responsibilities and privileges that come with citizenship, fostering a sense of national identity. Additionally, Article 9 reflects the broader legal framework that governs citizenship issues in India, aiming to maintain the integrity of the nation. Article 10 of the Indian Constitution reinforces the fundamental principle that citizenship cannot be revoked without due process as outlined in the law. This provision embodies the essence of justice and the protection of individual rights within the framework of Indian democracy. It serves as a safeguard against arbitrary actions by the state, ensuring that every citizen has legal recourse. The significance of Article 10 becomes even more pronounced in times of political upheaval and social unrest. It acts as a beacon of hope, reminding citizens that their identity and rights are protected under the rule of law. Moreover, the interpretation and application of this article have evolved through landmark judicial decisions shaping the landscape of citizenship in India. This evolving jurisprudence emphasizes the need for an inclusive approach to defining citizenship that respects the rights of all individuals. Article 11 of the Indian Constitution grants Parliament the authority to regulate the acquisition and termination of Indian citizenship, outlining the legislative power to define citizenship criteria and procedures. This provision serves as a crucial mechanism in addressing the dynamic nature of citizenship in a diverse nation like India. Through Article 11, Parliament is empowered to create laws that reflect the evolving societal context and ensure the rights of citizens. This article allows the legislature to set specific criteria for citizenship, including aspects like residency language and cultural ties. Moreover, Article 11 enables the Parliament to provide for the termination of citizenship under certain circumstances, ensuring national integrity and security.